Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Valentine Smooshy marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that we're using today are from Zoya. This pink is Kelsey. This fuchsia is Fallon. The gold is Carrie. And the purple is Isadora. I'll be using the pink as my base color. And after I've got that applied, I'm going to be protecting around my nails using Simply Peel. For today's Smooshy, I'm going to be using my MoU London Crystal Clear Stamper, and I'm going to be adding 2 drops of each color. That'll be a total of 8 drops, and I'm going to go ahead and try to do 2 nails per smoosh. We'll see how that works out, and if I need to make changes to that plan, I will. Once you're done with cleanup, you can go ahead and finish with a top coat. As usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how these turned out. I wasn't certain what color direction I was going in when I started. I just thought that a Smooshy would be a fairly easy option since I'm fighting off a little bit of a cold still. But these colors together are just so perfect for Valentine's Day, and yeah, I really like it. So I hope you like it too. I'd love to hear what you think down in the comments. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.